Hi everybody, welcome to our Friday feature. I've got a couple of things for you, but before I start, I actually wanted to ask you, what do you think of the top? This was our Tuesday tips. I finished my top. I went and I put fold over elastic on the armholes and also around the neck because I love working with my fold over elastic. And I must say I'm really happy with what it looks like. So I even matched it with a circle necklace. How do you like that? All right. But we're going to now do two things. We're going to do a promotion for you on the products, and then you can see my fabrics. We've got some beautiful fabrics that's come in. Everywhere where we're going in the shops at the moment, we're seeing yellow popping up, and I've seen some in Queen's Park as well. They've even got lovely yellow sandals. I saw it there. If you look at the photo that I'm sharing with you, that was on the Instagram last week that I saw this, and I thought we've got to get yellow. It's such a happy summery color. So we'll talk about the fabrics just now, but we've got two products that we've chosen to put on promotion for you for just limited promotion until Monday. Remember our Friday feature, we always want to give you some sort of promotion, and it will always be only till the Monday. We do it for 3 days after we've loaded the video. Now, one of the things that we have, and we've already even as we got it in, they've just been running out of the shop, but this is a 32-piece presser foot set. Now this is a universal set, so it will pretty much fit all our domestic machines. So if you've got an Alna, a Genome, our Bennett ranges, Singer, all of those are actually just you know, your normal domestic low shank machine, and these ones are now made to fit on those. These are all clip-on feet, and it's actually got the 32 feet. And I'm just going to quickly name a couple here for you, but if you're going to look online, we've actually listed all 32 feet for you. But what I love that's in here is it's got that bias binding foot. Everybody's been wanting that bias tape binder foot. It's even got a shirring foot for you. It's got a stitch guide foot. It's got a Teflon foot, which is lovely. And then also a roller foot. All those difficult to use fabrics, our faux leathers, anything that's a little bit of vinyl or anything like that, the roller foot is perfect. If I'm looking, it's got three different, it's got a 3mm narrow edge, which is your rolled hem. It's got a 6mm wide edge rolled hem. It's even got a lace presser foot. There's just too much to mention, so I want you to actually click on the link in the description box below and go to the link to see what feet is in the set. But this is a super saving for you. We're giving you, I'm just looking at the price over there, we sell it for $540. We've marked it down with 15% only till Monday. It's $460. We've got limited stock left, but I can find out if any of you go to the site and it's sold out already, just send us an email. I can see if we can get some more for you from our supplier. I think they still do have stock, because this is going to be, it's got everything in there for any sewing technique that you're ever going to do. Then another thing that I have here, and this is one of our imported products, it is the Gypsy Quilter. It's called the Sensational Sip and Snip. Now I use mine all the time because I put it on my table. It clamps onto the table. I can put my bottle of water or my coffee, anything inside there, so no more bumping it and it runs under our sewing machines. We've had that happen so many times. And then it's also got the little basket for all your offcuts. And what I love about it, because it's on there, I've always got my small cutter, my small scissors, my marking pens. All of that actually just fits in. It's got little pockets there for us. And I really love this because all my offcuts, my threads, my pieces of fabric that I nip off, I just throw in there. So this is also an excellent gadget actually that you can do, excellent buy actually, if I can put it that way. You can see I even sometimes clip my wonder clips. As I'm using them, I usually have them clipped on there as well. So it's a nice place for my wonder clips. But that one is also, we're giving you 20% off only until Monday. I've only got 7 left of these ones. They do come from America, so I'm not sure when we will get again. So if you want one, I'm going to suggest that you go immediately and you go and get it. This is not something that I can tell you, okay, I'm going to get it in again. Unfortunately, I don't know about that. But this one sells for $665. You've got 20% of that one, and it's 530 Rand until Monday. So if you want it, and it's nice and sturdy because this is all metal. This whole piece on the inside of the basket, everything metal. So this is going to last you forever. So maybe look at that and go and get yourself one of those. So that is our promotion for the weekend that we're going to be running for you. I'm just moving everything out of the way. Now I'm going to talk about fabric. You all know I love my fabrics. I've got such a stash, and already these pieces are cut for me. Those are mine. But like I mentioned, we see yellow everywhere, and yellow, if you go and look at some of the images I'm going to share with you now, yellow with the gray, yellow with navy. I love the print because we're seeing a lot of prints as well, and it's not too much yellow print, it's just got a little bit of yellow on there for us. And what I love is you've got a little bit of pink in the yellow. We can even go and wear this fabric if we make a nice tunic top, for instance, with this. I'm also going to make a top that I'm going to tie in the front. So I've got two tops that I do want to make to go with my jeans. This is a jeans fabric, by the way. This is actually got a slight stretch. It's a lovely summer jean. So it's got a bit of a, I think it's spandex in it, a small percentage. Look, if I do that, it's got a small percentage of stretch to it. So very, very comfy. And it's nice to have it at the bottom because not all of us, I'm someone that can't get away with wearing the yellow close to my face. But you know what, I can wear it as a bottom, and I lay it with the different tops that I want to wear. So this is also nice. This is, just trying to think, this was a poplin, I'm going to put it in the description for you, but it's a poplin spandex. It's got a little bit, again, of a little bit of a give to it. It's a woven fabric, but it gives a little bit. And what I loved about it is if I've got a tunic or a top with buttons, anything like that, I love when I'm moving that my fabric can move with me. So I absolutely love this. This is a lovely summer weight as well. It's not a slippery fabric, so it's not going to be a difficult sew. So for me, that is quite a nice one. And I'm going to tell you, I even thought of doing a palazzo pants. Did you guys see white leg pants are back again? So I thought this would be a lovely palazzo pants because it's not see-through. So this is still going to make, and it's going to drape beautifully. So I'm just sharing my ideas with you because as soon as I look at fabrics, I start thinking of patterns. So I'm even thinking of doing one, and then I can pick up one of these colors for a plain top. And then another one that we have, and this will also work beautifully as a top with our yellow denim pants. And this one, what I like about it, it's 100% cotton. It's actually imported from Europe, this specific fabric. So it is a beautiful quality, and it's got embroidery. If you look at this, I'm going to share a photo of the embroidery with you as well. And it's got like little holes in the fabric over there that's almost like a little bit of a cutout embroidery effect over there. Again, beautiful. This again also a lovely tunic. Have you seen all the tunics out there at the moment, the longer shirts as well? So that is the 3 new fabrics that we have on offer at the moment. I'm really going to try, I'm watching what's out there and seeing what's coming in, and we're going to try and match a little bit of those colors and bring it to you. And again, we're doing it as limited ranges. I don't want to sit with the same fabric for years. We're literally bringing in a couple of rolls, and once they're out, then I go and I start looking for something else for us. So it's not going to be forever on our site. So do go and have a look. Again, I've left the link for you in the description box, and these 3 are actually a beautiful, beautiful, I don't know, such a sunny color, if I can say it that way. So that is the new fabrics that's come in. So that is for our Friday feature, everything that we wanted to share with you. We get super excited when we get new fabrics. You can't believe it. We had customers come in and saw it, and they already bought some of it because it is such a beautiful quality, and I love this yellow. It is not that washed out yellow. It's just such a beautiful, happy yellow. And as I said, I can't wear it next to my face, but I can wear it as a jean. So that is my plan for the weekend. So I hope that you're going to have a lovely weekend, that you're going to get some sewing in. For me, as soon as it's springtime and it's getting warmer, I'm always a very happy person. I'm not a winter person. So that's when I get my energy to start sewing everything. So that is my plans for the weekend. So whatever your plans are, I hope that you're going to have a lovely weekend and happy sewing.